Hello, this is Snow. So recently I received a request for this tutorial. I was asked, is there a way to display text one character at a time? So like a old school game like a Pokemon or other like a Phoenix Wright, those kind of games. So right now in this adventure, so whenever the game display a text, then it displays everything at once. Yeah, like this. But so we want to display a single character at a time, like a da 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 da. And so I made this another adventure. So like this. This time the text displays one character at a time. Yeah, so like this. So I think first I'm gonna make another simple sample program and then explain how to implement it into this adventure. So yeah, let's start. So as a preparation for this test, we're gonna make a window and also we're gonna make a text area. So let me finish this preparation real quick. Okay, let's check. Okay, so yeah, window is done. This blue area is this text panel, and also we put this JText area on this text panel. So yeah, let's change this blue to black. Okay, then we're gonna make two variables. So the one is string, and we name this as text or something. Yeah, and the other one is int, and name this I. Okay, and the next is, I think this is gonna be the main part of this tutorial. To display one character at a time, we need to create a delay between characters. So after we display one character, then we create some delay. Otherwise, all the texts are displayed at once. And to create this delay, so we're gonna use a thing called a timer this time. And I'm gonna name this timer as a timer simply, and equal new timer. And we're gonna import this timer. And but here, as you can see, there are three timers that you can import. And so this time we're gonna choose this one, javax.swing. So make sure to choose this timer, swing timer. And then round bracket. And inside of this round bracket, first we're gonna type number like 1000. Basically, in this case, this means the length of the delay, and this 1000 means 1000 milliseconds. So that means 1 second. So if you want to make a 2 seconds delay, then you can type like this 2000. And I think 1 second is a bit too long for our purpose this time, but we're gonna adjust it later. So 1 second for now. And then we make a action listener for this timer. So new action listener. So this is gonna be a bit complicated to type. So let me type first and explain later. So okay, so action listener and a round bracket, then curly bracket like this, and then we type like this at override, then public void action performed. So this is like usual action event and e. Then Okay. Then, so we're gonna import this action listener and also this action event. Okay. And action performed is so inside of this round bracket. So see, so this round bracket starts here and end here. So this everything is inside of this round bracket. So make sure to type correctly, otherwise it receives error. So we created this action listener for timer. So then we just need to type the result of this timer inside of this action performed method. Okay, so first we're gonna make a variable called char. I think we haven't used this variable before, but yeah, this is like similar to string, but string can contain text, but this char variable can contain a single character. And I'm gonna name this as a character. I think character. And we're gonna use this array type character, and then equal. So now we're gonna use this text string variable we created a while ago, and the text dot to char array. So what this means, let's input some text into this text string. So like text equal. So yeah, this is the text area. This game is going to be great. Yeah, I'm sure of it. So this text information is currently inside of this text string, this one. And this code means, how to say, so it's gonna divide this text to a single character and put them into this array one by one. So yeah, it's gonna be like a character slot number 0 is T, and 1 is H, and 2 is I, and S, and next is space, and I, S, and something like that. I think this text contains 79 characters or something. So basically, so this is gonna create so character 0 to 78. So that's what this to char array means. Then we're gonna create this variable integer, and I'm gonna name this array number, and equal character dot length. So if you don't know what this means, so this dot length will automatically calculate how many array number, array slot this has. So if this character array has like a 60 slots, then this dot length automatically calculated the maximum number and put into this array number. So this way this program will know what's the maximum slot number. So when final character is displayed, then the program realized, oh, this is the maximum number, so let's stop displaying text. Okay, then we're gonna make another variable here, this time string, and I'm gonna name this as added character. Cool. And for now, nothing. And also one more string, and this time blank, and nothing inside. Then added character equal blank plus character I. not blank. Okay, and this I is this one. So this I integer. So basically, this is a slot number of this character array. And then text area dot. Okay, and so now we're gonna display text or character on this text area. And usually when we display text, we use this set text, but we're not gonna use this set text this time because if you use set text, then it's gonna replace everything that is currently displayed and and display totally new text. So, but what we want to do is we want to keep already displayed text because we want to display one character at a time. So we want to add, not replace, but we want to add one character to the text that is already displayed. So to do that, we don't use this set text, but instead we're going to use this append. And here added character. So using this append, you can keep currently displayed text and then add new text to it. Okay, and let me explain what this lines means. We just need to add the character. So this is what we want to add. So but like set text, this append can display only string. So if we type like this, then it shows an error because here the method append is only display string, not char. So that's why I typed this line. So by typing like this, so you can put the same information so inside of this character into this one. And so now we can type it here, and then the error disappears. So I don't know, maybe there is a better way or smarter way, but this is what I came up with. Also, we have to initialize this I. So we want to start from 0. 0. So at the beginning, I equals 0, 0. And so first, this timer method is gonna display. So character 0, the first one. So in this case, this T. So first, this is gonna display T on this text area. Then after displayed this first character, then we're gonna add 1 to this I. So this I increases from 0 to 1, and then it's gonna display array number 1. So this H, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is gonna display one character one by one, and between this action, it's gonna create a 1 second delay. And you can start this timer by typing like this: timer dot start. Okay, so yeah, it's not done yet, but let's check the program so far. Okay, yeah, so it's like this. So the program displays one character at a time, but I think this is too slow, so delay is too long. Currently we set the 1 second delay, and I think this is just too long. So for example, let's change this to maybe 200. Yeah, this is better. So this is a 0.2 seconds delay. And okay, but we got some error. Yeah, I know what this error is. So it says array index out of bounds exception. So basically it displays all the text in this array, and so it is saying, oh, but I couldn't find any more text inside of this character. So we need to shut down this timer once it reaches the maximum slot. So we can type like if statement here, and I equal array number, and so array number means this character dot length. So basically this is a maximum number of this array. Come to think of it, I can type like this. And so if this I equal this maximum number, then first we're gonna set I as 0 again, and then timer dot stop. So you can stop this timer by typing like this, timer dot stop. And I think 200 is still kind of a bit slow, I think. So let's change this to 100, and let's see. Okay, and this time we don't get any error, because once this I hit the maximum number, then program will automatically stop this timer. Okay, so this is how it works. Whenever there is a text that you want to display, then yeah, you can put this text into this text string, and then let the timer start. Then it's gonna display inside of this text string, character by character. And also, just like those old school games, you can add sound effect to this text. So let's make another class, sound effect. Okay, so sound effect class is done. So yeah, basically this is exactly the same program that we have done in the sound effect tutorial. So let's go back to this main class, and this time I prepared this sound effect like this one. So it's like a typewriter kind of sound effect. Let's put this inside of this resource folder. Okay, so now it's inside of this resource folder. So now we can access this file. So we're going to use this URL, type sound URL, call get class dot get resource, and okay, and type dot wap. Okay, and import this one URL, and also okay, we're gonna use this sound effect class. So sound effect se equal new sound effect. Okay, and okay, so here se dot set URL, and type sound URL, then se dot play. So this set URL is, this SE means this sound effect class, and the set URL is this method. And yeah, play is this method. So this way, whenever this program displays one character, then it plays this sound effect. Yeah, so let's check it. Yeah, like this. Yeah, but I think playing this sound effect every time it displays one character is a bit of too much. Like to be honest, the sound is a bit annoying, because it plays too often, like this. So maybe we want to reduce the frequency or number of this sound effect. So maybe playing this sound effect in every 2 characters or every 3 characters would be better, maybe. So to do that, I created another integer here, and I'm gonna name this as a sound Q or something, and okay, set to 0 at first. So when it displays one character, then sound Q also +1. And then we're gonna make if statement here, and the sound Q equal to, then yeah, let's play this sound effect. And after play this sound effect, let's set this sound Q as 0 again. So first this sound Q starts from 0, and then every time it displays one character, then the number increases, so 0 and 1 and 2. Okay, so that means after the program displays 3 characters, and then play this sound effect and set the number to 0 again, and so then start all over again, and 0 1 2 and play sound effect, and 0 1 2 and play sound effect, like that. So yeah, anyway, let's check this. So I think this is less annoying, and maybe we can increase the or reduce the delay a little bit. So like 80. So with this number and also this one, you can find the most comfortable balance. I think this is okay. Okay, so I think that's everything for now, and I think on the next video I'm gonna implement this function to Adventure. So if you are interested, please watch the next video too. But that's it for now, and thank you very much for watching, and see you again. Bye.